Hi everyone, I am Arindam. Today I will be replacing my 5 years old MacBook Air battery. I have divided this video into 3 parts. On the first part, I will show you what are the warnings that I am getting. On the second part, I will be unboxing the new battery and replace it. And on the last part, I will show you how the performance of this new battery. So on my MacBook screen, if I click on the battery icon, it shows that it's 100% charged because I'm connected with the power adapter, but it shows that service recommended. If I click on this, it shows this warning message, and if I click on service option, it opens the Mac battery service page and support and all. Now if I also check the battery health, we can see that here it shows fully charged no, charging no, full capacity, state of charge 100%, battery cycle 321, and the condition is service recommended. So anyway, whatever it says, but I didn't get 5 minutes battery backup also. If I just disconnect the charger, it will turn off. Initially when I bought this laptop 5 years back, it used to give around 9 hours of battery backup, but now since last 1.5 years or maybe 2 years, the battery capacity has reduced drastically, and now I'm getting less than 5 minutes of battery backup. So here I have the new battery, and unbox it. It comes with 2 screwdriver. Okay, so the laptop is now on, and let me open the battery status, and it shows 82% charged and the battery has been successfully detected. My MacBook screen, and as you can see, this time I'm no longer connected with the charger because the battery is giving good backup. I didn't get a chance to completely use the battery or use it until 20%, but after using 3 hours I would say it gives me around 50% of charge, and so I can guess I can use this new battery for at least 4 hours. And if I show you the battery health, you can see the full capacity is now showing 7200. My older battery has the capacity of around 1300, so this is a good improvement. Now I will share my experience of the whole replacement process. The 2 screwdrivers that comes with the battery were handy, but the battery has 4 plastic sticker attached to the battery cell, which were very difficult to remove, and at some point of time I thought that I should not be removing them, but then I carefully removed it, and I'm lucky that I didn't puncture the battery. And when it comes to removing the back cover of MacBook Air, it was easy because there are 10 screws which were good metal screws and easy to remove, and then there are 5 more screws that were holding the battery. The connector for the battery, removing for the original battery, I was able to remove the connector smoothly, but the connector with the newer battery was not that snappy, so it was a bit struggle for me to attach it. Do check the video descriptions where I have shared few more details about this new battery. And by the way, this is my first YouTube video, so thank you for staying till the end of this video, and do share your feedback. Thank you, take care, bye bye.